Hey, living environment fans and friends from across the globe and points unknown and all throughout broadcasting through the universe. It's Wednesday, which means it's book talk today. The next section of our book that we've been reading called The Hot Zone. And it means tomorrow is part one of your midterm exam. Yeah, that's right. Thursday and Friday are the science midterms, and it's a 3-period exam. Right? You'll be doing work for 3 periods, and yeah. So why don't we take a look at some vocab you need to know for the midterm exam during today's Bellringer. And of course, there's a little review ed puzzle, and then we'll do some review practice as well as book talk in class today. All right? Sounds good.
All right. Hey now. Mr. Kovacs class. It's Mr. Kovacs class. You might learn on time. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
He's interested too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class. And he's super cool. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
Look at all this great vocabulary from, this is just the second quarter, right? And so that's some of the stuff that'll be on the midterm by far. Remember this word? Yeah, that's right. Great Scrabble word. Let's see. You remember where this is made? That's right, it's made in the mitochondrion. Remember the difference between these two? Right, and then this word is a synonym of this, and it means the same thing. Yeah, remember we studied this model? What was that the model of? Good, and then of course we used the 2 different types of transports. What was the difference between these two? That's great, and we studied so much stuff, movement of water across the cell membrane. We studied immune system, right? B cells make these things in response to form these things. Yeah. We learned that vaccines are ways to basically tell your immune system, B cells, to make antibodies. All right. And then we started doing some cells and cell parts. Let's see, do you remember what this part does? How about this part? Good. How about this part? Ooh, tricky. And then, of course, everybody's favorite, the Golgi, that's responsible for. Yeah, so there's lots and lots of great vocab that you expect to remember for the tests over the next couple of days. Isn't it exciting? We've got the midterm coming up tomorrow. Do some studying for the midterm, and then, yeah, you get to perform tomorrow and Friday, the midterm, and then we come back the week after that and wrap up the quarter, and then we're halfway through the year. So that's pretty sweet. All right, let's do it.